How to cleanse your face. So you're going to take your cleanser and you're going to take about anywhere between a dime and a nickel size amount of your product on the tips of your fingers. Then take a bit of water, lather the product up on the tips of your fingers, and then apply the product directly to your face. Circles, backward circles, up and down, any motion is fine as far as applying the cleanser on your face. You want to rub it all around, under your jaw, maybe down your neckline a little bit. Then you're going to take a washcloth and moisten your washcloth with water. Our model didn't really use quite enough water in this video, so I do recommend using more water than that so that your washcloth is fairly damp. And then you're going to do sideways motions, back and forth. You don't want to do circles at this point. You don't want to shove lipids, makeup, any kind of sticky stuff up into your follicles. You just want to remove what's sitting on the top of your skin. So you just do backwards motions, side to side. Then you're going to rinse your skin. Lukewarm water is best. 3 or 4 times is usually fine. We recommend washing your face once a day as far as using a cleanser, particularly if you're using anti-acne products because all of them tend to be a bit drying. We recommend just water and a washcloth in the morning and to use your cleanser at night to remove all toxins, pollutants, products.